Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us find the area of this parallelogram. I'm going to call it as A, B, C, D. We know the area of parallelogram is given by base multiplied by height. They have given to us line AB is parallel to line DC, and also a line AD, it is parallel to line BC. They have given to us the base of parallelogram, which is 20 centimeter. The base is equal to 20 centimeter, but we don't have the height. The height, we don't have it. So let's first find the height, then we are going to find the area. How we are going to find the height? Let us call this point as point E. I'm going to use triangle EBC to get the height. So I'll use triangle EBC to get the height because it is right-angled triangle and it will obey Pythagoras theory. Since triangle EBC is right-angled triangle, I'll call distance EB as A and height, I'm going to call it as B, which we don't have, and distance BC is hypotenuse, which is always equal to C. This is equal to 13 centimeter. From Pythagoras theory, A square plus B square, this is equal to C square. I'm going to substitute this here. A equal to 12. 12 square plus B is the same as 8, that is H square. This is equal to C. They gave us 13 square. This is going to be 144 plus H square. This is equal to 169. That is 13 square. Bring 144 to the right hand side. H square, this is equal to 169. Take away 144. We got H square, this is equal to 25. Take square root both sides. We got H is equal to 5 centimeter. Since we get our height equal to 5, now we can get the area of this parallelogram. Area is given by base multiplied by height. Our area will be equal to our base equal to 20 multiplied by height. We got 5. We're going to get our area is equal to 100 centimeter square. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on areas and perimeters, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.